This spinning prize wheel is a pretty cool device, and I'm going to show you all my favorite features. So the most important part, the spinning, spins really well, and you can also adjust how flexible this is, so you can adjust it so that it spins even more. Another cool feature is that you can put whatever you want on here, write anything. We did joke or treat, but it's really easy to rub off the dry erase marker and then write whatever you want on there. Another cool feature is this little spin to win. It's magnetic piece, so you can have it on there, you can keep it off. You could even customize it, put like your own logo or something like that on there if you were using this for a game of some sort that you wanted to promote. It also comes with the marker, of course, so you can write what you'd like on there, and an eraser. Another great feature is it's really sturdy. It is supported by these two base legs here, and then there are also some suction cups on the bottom to make sure that it stays on the surface that you plant it on. Assembly was really easy. It looks like there are a lot of parts here, but it really didn't take very long to put together. This wheel itself is 12 inches, so it makes it a little bit taller when you include the top here and the base, but overall the wheel measures 12 inches. This is a pretty cool device to have, especially if you want to organize a spin to win game.